Hello guys, have you ever faced the problem your Microsoft Excel is not working? Then please look at the solve. Firstly, you can go to the run, then type excel.exe space slash SAFE, then OK. Then your Excel is running in the safe mode. Then you can close the Excel, then run again your Excel, then go to option, then go to advanced setting and then scroll, then uh, disable your hardware graphics acceleration, disable this, uncheck this mark, and then scroll down and also disable if this is mark in your Excel, uncheck this mark and then OK. Then again go to option, go to task center setting, protected view, and uncheck this all of this and then OK. Then your Excel will be working 100%. OK. Yes, here it is. Thank you everyone.